Okay, I know what you're thinking. Sweet potatoes. Been there, done that, mashed them, baked them, maybe even turned them into fries. But trust me, you've never eaten sweet potato like this before. Today, I'm showing you a totally unexpected way to turn this humble veggie into your new favorite snack. All you need is a sweet potato, some pantry staples, and just a little bit of patience. First, grab your sweet potato and slice it super thin. Like almost see-through thin. Don't worry if your slices aren't perfect. This is all about having fun. Now, toss those slices in a bowl with olive oil, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a tiny dash of chili powder. Toss to coat. That's right, the sweet and spicy combo is about to change your snack game. Lay the slices out on a baking sheet, making sure they don't overlap. Pop them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. And here's the magic moment. These turn into crispy, caramelized sweet potato chips. They're crunchy, sweet, just a little spicy, and totally addictive. Seriously, once you try these, you'll forget all about regular potato chips. So next time you've got a sweet potato sitting around, give this a go. You might just find your new favorite snack. Don't forget to let me know if you try it. Because honestly, you've never eaten sweet potato like this before.